Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I am sharing a cute little treat holder. This one would be a really cute little birthday party favor, and it's just a sweet little stamp set. It is called Hippo Happiness, but there's not only a hippo, but there's a horse, a unicorn, and then you can make a little sheep, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I did this one in Pacific Point because I liked doing it the monochromatic look, so that's what I did here. And he is so cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. I'm also, the topper part here is one of our tag topper punches, and I will let you know in the video which one that is because I always forget the name of this one. But anyway, that's what we're making for this. So this is a really nice size. It's a box, so it's pretty good size for some treats. So it measures 2 inches by, the box part is 3 inches, and then it's 1 inch wide. So it's so cute. It would be a really cute, another thing I just thought of is a shower, a baby shower favor. So this is what I'm sharing today. I'm doing today's in Melon Mambo because I wanted to show you how you can use different colors on these. They're so cute. So the stamp set, the bundle actually is this Hippo Happiness. It's so cute. So you can see that. And if you have a Stamparatus, I recommend using that for this. On the hippo, you can line him up pretty good by hand, and we're going to do that today. But when I did, if you saw my project on Sunday, you saw that I did this unicorn. And the best way to do him and this little sheep there is to use the Stamparatus or a stamp positioner because it's super, super easy that way. All right, and here's the dies that go with this. I took the one that I'm using out, which is this one right here. So you can see all the dies that you get with this. I love all these labels. These are stitched, and these have a little bit of a finish on them too. It's got like a little raised edge as well. And then I've got the little hippo die that we're going to use for this one. It's a really pretty quick and easy one, and so you can make lots of these for like a shower or something. All right, so you are going to need a piece of Melon Mambo. That's what I'm doing today, and this is 9 by 5. You need 2 pieces to mat it. These are 3 7/8 by 1 7/8, and I am using the 6 by 6 Brights collection. These are in all our color families. The designer series paper for this. And then you need some scrap Whisper White, one for the little label and one to stamp our hippo. And then you need another piece that is, I think this was 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, it's a little less than of 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to end up cutting this, but this is for our hippo hooray that we're going to put on this. This was one of our $1 Million Achievers that did this one, and I'm not exactly sure. I'll put it in the video if I can remember to put it in there. But one of our $1 Million Achievers made this. All right, so let's get started with this. That's one thing Stampin' Up! When you achieve the $1 million, you get to create your own stamp set. Like that, nothing's better than. I know Connie Stewart has done that, and I love that one. It's one of my very, very favorites. And this is another really cute one. All right, so we are going to score this. So on the 9-inch side, we're going to score it at 1, 4, and 5. And then you're going to turn it, and we are going to score this at 1/2, 1.5, 3.5, and 4.5. And that is all our scoring. I love using these tag topper dies. They're so fun to use on a box. All right, so we are getting ready to cut this now. So one side is shorter here, and this side is going to be the side that well, I'll show you here in a minute. Let me just cut it and I'll show you how we're going to do this. All right, so let's just cut these side pieces here. And then we're going to cut that top 1/2 inch side. I don't want to get ahead of myself. I might confuse you. All right, so we're cutting that off. We're leaving, no, we're cutting this side because this is a side that is going to fold up. So we're cutting down here. I have to think about this. It's been a few days. And then we're going to cut down this one. Cut those as well. And then we're going to cut that 1/2 inch off again. And then we're cutting these in. These are our glue tabs. And then we're cutting these two on the corner off. And then we're cutting these two also on the corner. I'm going to cut in on here. And then the same on this side. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. Now you want to mat it first because we are going to punch with our tag topper punch. So I'm going to grab my stamp and seal here. Oops, and we're going to mat this one. And we're also matting this side. Now there's a score mark here, so don't get confused by that because we're going to mat right over that and you're not going to see it. That was pretty much to show me where I needed to cut this. This is so sticky it sticks to my hands. And this is our regular stamp and seal. So you know how strong the plus is of that. All right, so let's go ahead and I am going to bring in my tag topper. And I always turn it upside down because it's the easiest way to see where you're stamping. And then you want to line that up. And we're going to punch there. Do the same on this side. Punching there. And then we're going to sharpen all these score marks and put this together. I should have stamped first because I'd have everything ready to go. All right, now I'm going to put some of our Stamp and Seal Plus on these right here. You don't need to put them on the bottom. These are going to tuck in. And then you're going to just line this up on the sides. Just like that. And then this side also. And then there's your little box. You don't even have to put a ribbon through it, but the ribbon's so pretty. And this is, it's kind of like a gauze kind of, and it comes in the flowers for every season ribbon combo pack. So we have all 3 of these on there. And it's really, really nice. I really love it. It's really light and kind of springtime looking. It's really pretty. It would be very, very pretty with that bundle. All right, so I'm going to tie a bow in here. You can just leave a knot if you like, but I'm going to tie a bow because it looks so pretty with the bow. It's a really cute little fluffy kind of bow. All right, and then I'm going to just shorten these a little bit. I'm sorry if you hear a vacuum. I think my husband's vacuuming, which I'm not going to complain. All right, isn't that cute? I love the little bow on here. All right, let's set that aside and do our stamping here. So we are going to stamp it with the Melon Mambo. And there is a way to stamp this. So you're going to stamp this one first. And then you're going to stamp this full piece next, and we're going to stamp off, and you're going to line this one up. Hopefully I'm not going to get my head in the way, because I want to make sure I have it lined up well. And then we're going to use some Memento Black, and we're going to do his little face. Should have stamped the sentiment while I had that open. But then we're going to stamp his face here. And you're just going to line the nostrils up and stamp it. So cute! Look how cute he is. You can really see his face on this one. On the other one you can't see his eyes too well. It's a little bit dark, the Pacific point. Alright, so I'm going to stamp the Hippo Hooray using the Melon Mambo. We'll have that all ready to go. Alright, so let's bring the big shot in. And we're going to do our little hippo here. And then I'm going to do our little label right here. I'm going to run those through. There's our label. And our little hippo. Alright, so I'm going to grab some dimensionals. And we're going to put a couple on our little hippo here. And we're going to put him right in the center. And then we're going to put a couple more on the back. And you can see this is cardstock that I already used, but the other side was perfectly fine, so I didn't want to waste it. So we're going to put this on the front here. And then we are going to cut this little piece right here. I'm going to cut it closer to the other side. I'm going to use my stamp and seal. And we're going to put that right at the bottom there. And it is done. Look how cute. These are super cute. I hope you enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at StampingWithAmore.com and shop for my blog. This is the cutest bundle. This is my July hostess code. If you place an order, I put you in a drawing every month. At the end of the month, I draw for hostess dollars. All right, everyone, I hope you had a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.